beginning be small, thy later end shall greatly increase. These are the days in which he will cause the faces of his people to shine. We have no other God but you. No other God. When you get back, you set up your altar. Tell him that you will not leave him until he blesses you. Open up the channel of communication again. That issue that you think has been so strong will fall like a pack of cards. The Lord is calling us to intimacy afresh. Oh, open again the frontiers of night prayers. Ignore the storm, sister. I see a bright light coming on you. A bright light. Nothing will be able to resist you. There's a new thing he wants to do in the land. If he can get our hearts tonight, then you can shake the foundation of this nation. The time is upon us. To pray. The flames burning on your heart, don't allow it go out even after this meeting. Make an altar out of it. Create a spiritual monument that will stand before your face every day. This is the time for us to move. The cloud has lifted. If we move at the Spirit, as the people of God, into the Holy Ghost to find wisdom and to gain alignment, the Lord will shake the foundation of our nation. Things will begin to take place. Some things that we never imagined will hit the landscape. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. You see, the trumpets are already here. The trumpets are here already. The trumpets are here. The spirit of prophecy is already in the room. Hey, Sabo Komamaha. Sabo Boroko Sibakayana. Sabo Remono Sekotalia. Eko Zelo Bomburias. Aiko de Mineseli. Escomborosi Copaminaita. Yaipemorosante. Ose Samine.